Today, students of St. Joseph Naval are in the European Parliament, presenting SDG 17, Partnership for the Goal.
SDG 17 is about friendship and cooperation between countries and people. It's needed to respect each country.
We need everyone to come together. Government, civil society, scientists, schools and universities to stop differences between people and countries. We have to implement actions for poverty eradication and sustainable action.
It presents to build with values and to place people and the planet at their center. It's necessary to make SDGs real.
What are you going to do to make SDGs real? Joan Buixadera, Brussels, SDGs Channel.